Being aware of each moment as a performance of sorts, where you need to be able to be present and bring your best to that moment for your team's benefit.
Facilitation helps them go from being a strong machine to a well-oiled, high-performance machine.
Build the skills that they can use to make smoother interactive sessions and be more effective leaders.
It was very helpful to think about what qualifies you to be in front of the room.
Being really specific about things, being clear about goals.
The only way to get better at facilitation is to practice, and you will do that here.
Everything is centered around you actually doing the stuff. Meaning we talk about facilitation techniques, but then we go right into practicing it and getting real feedback from the trainers themselves as well as all of the other participants.
I think it is a lot more engaging and fun than a lot of trainings that I've been to.
This training is really great for people who are running sessions, facilitating groups, even working in short sessions and meetings.
From someone like myself, who I feel like is probably not as experienced, to somebody who might have done this for a decade.
Trust yourself to do it. Even if you think you're an expert at your craft, you will learn something and you will be pushed to try something new and to try to apply that.
Do it. You will be put outside of your comfort zone, but you're going to be so glad that you did.